Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download PlayStar application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in PlayStar in the search box. Look for this application that says PlayStar Real Money Casino. Once you get to this interface, tap on the Get button to start downloading PlayStar on your mobile device. PlayStar is an exciting real money casino application available in New Jersey. It offers a fully regulated, legal and secure online casino mobile app. You can download it on your Android or your iOS devices. The application provides access to a variety of thrilling games, including online slots, live casino games, progressive jackpots, table games, and much more. So that's how you can easily download and install PlayStar application on your mobile device in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.